Dear friends, I am Dr. Bharat Parab discussing the topic application of Heron's formula in finding areas of quadrilaterals. Some examples. First one, a park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD. Angle C is 90 degree. So draw this. Okay, ABCD. Angle C is 90 degree. AB is 9 meters. So AB is 9 meters. BC is 12 meters. So BC is 12 meters. CD is 5 meters. So CD is 5 meters. And AD is 8 meters. So AD is 8 meters. Okay. How much area does it occupy? Okay. So answer, draw a quadrilateral ABCD. You have to always draw this. Okay. So this is there, this is not up to the scale, so this is seems to be bigger than this, doesn't matter much. We want only a quadrilateral with C 90. Okay, this is 90 degree. So we want triangle. Okay, so you have to calculate this. It's very easy. This is 90. In this triangle BCD we can calculate BD. Okay, and then apply Heron's formula. By Pythagoras theorem, triangle BCD, 12 square plus 5 square is BD square. So 12 square plus 5 square is BD square. So 144 plus 25 is BD square, or BD is equal to 13. So we got this. Okay. Now we are finding the area of this by our old method. The area of triangle is equal to half B into H. That equals half into this. See, this is base. Okay, and this is height. Even if you take other way around, formula remains same. Okay, so 1 upon 2 into 12 into 5, this goes, and that is 30 meters square. Okay, so you can apply Heron's formula even for this. Okay, now we are applying Heron's formula for this triangle. Okay, so area of triangle equals root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where A is 9 meters, B is 8 meters, and C is 13 meters. S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, that is 9 plus 8 plus 13 upon 2, or that is 30 upon 2, or 15. S is 15. So substitute area of triangle equals root of 15 into 15 minus 9 into 15 minus 8 into 15 minus 13. Okay, so that equals root of 15 into 6 into 7 into 2, that is 3 into 5. I'm splitting this. Okay, 2 into 3 and 7 2, so that I can take 3 out and 2 out. Okay, so 3 into 2, and under root sign is 5 into 7. Okay, yes, so this is 6 root 35 meters square. So add 1 and add 1 to this. Okay, 1 and this, so total is 30 plus 6 root 35 meters square. Okay, so this is the area. Okay, I told you we can apply Heron's formula even for this. Okay, or you can calculate like this also if it is easy. Okay, second one, find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equal to 3 centimeters. Okay, so draw like this. Okay, ABCD, AB is 3 centimeters, BC is 4 centimeters, BC is 4 centimeters, CD is 4 centimeters, CD is 4 centimeters again, and AD is 5 centimeters, AD is 5 centimeters, AC is also given, AC as given is also 5 centimeters. Okay, so always draw this type of quadrilateral. Okay, may not be up to the scale, but we have to draw. Okay, and don't forget to do all these dimensions properly. Okay, so answer, draw a quadrilateral. We have done this. Okay, now we can apply Heron's formula separately for ABC and ACD. So by Heron's formula, area of ABC equals root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where A is, for this, A is 3, B is 4, and C is 5. Okay, so S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, or 3 plus 4 plus 5 upon 2, that is 12 upon 2 is 6. Substitute area of triangle is equal to root of 6 into 6 minus 3 into 6 minus 4 into 6 minus 5. So that equals root of 6 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 3 into 2 into 3 into 2, that is taking 3 out and 2 out, so that is 6 centimeters square. Centimeters square. Okay, this is one. And area of this triangle, okay, ACD. So area of ACD, where A is 5 centimeters, B is 4 centimeters, and C is again 5 centimeters. Okay, so S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, or that equals 5 plus 4 plus 5 upon 2, that is 14 upon 2 is 7. Okay, now substitute. The area of triangle equals root of 7 into 7 minus 5 into 7 minus 4 into 7 minus 5. So that equals root of 7 into 2 into 3 into 2, that is 2 root 21. Okay, centimeter square. Okay, now add 1 and 2. We want area of the whole quadrilateral ABCD. To add, that is the total area is 6 plus 2 root 21 whole centimeter square. Don't forget this unit. Okay. Third one, Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored papers as shown in the figure. This is the figure. Okay. Find the total area of the paper used. Okay. Now distribute this figure in different parts. Okay, and along with the dimensions, and we can calculate. Now look at this. First one is a triangle. This is an isosceles triangle with this side is 5, so this is 5 and this is 1 centimeter. See, look at this. Okay, second one is a rectangle. This is 1, this is 1, and this is 6.5 given here. Okay, third one is trapezium. Okay, this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, and this is 1. Okay, so these are 3. Now 2 wings, 4 and 5, they are same. So dimensions are here. So this is 6 centimeters, that is height, and base is 1.5 centimeters. Okay, so we can calculate the areas of all these triangles and rectangle and trapezium and then add. Okay, so answer, total area equals 1. Area of isosceles triangle 1. Okay, plus second one, area of a right angle triangle 4, plus third one, area of a right angle triangle 5. Okay, plus fourth one, area of a rectangle number 2, and fifth one is area of a trapezium 3. Okay, so we can calculate all these 5 areas and add, and that will be your answer on the next slide. Okay, so answer continues. Calculate all 5 areas. First one, area of isosceles triangle 1. Okay, so this is 5, this is 1, and this is 5. Okay, so by Heron's formula, area of triangle equals root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a is 5 centimeters, b is 5 centimeters, and c is 1 centimeter. Okay, so s equal to a plus b plus c upon 2. So 5 plus 5 plus 1 upon 2, 11 upon 2 is 5.5. Okay, now substitute area of triangle. This triangle number 1 is equals, will be equal to root of 5.5 into 5.5 minus 5 into 5.5 minus 5 into 5.5 minus 1. So this will be 5.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 4.5. You can take 0.5 common. So 0.5 into root of 24.75. Okay, so if you take this, that will be 0.5 into 4.975, or in short 2.487. Okay, that is first one. Now second one, area of a right angle triangle 4, and third one, area of right angle triangle 5. Okay, so we can use this formula, area of triangle equals half b into h. We know this is h, this is b. So calculate, and we have to take 2 of these, so multiply by 2. So that equals total area of these 4 and 5 equals 2 into area of one triangle is 1 upon 2 into 1.5 into 6. So this goes with this, that is 1.5 into 6, that is 9 centimeters square for 2 and 3. Okay, next on another slide. So answer continued. calculate for all 5 areas. We have calculated 3. This is fourth one. This is a rectangle marked as 2 in the figure. So this is 6.5. This is 1 centimeter. So area of rectangle is L into B equals 6.5 into 1 is 6.5 centimeter square. Fourth complete. Fifth one, area of trapezium. This is a trapezium. Okay, this is 1 centimeter. This is 1. This is 1, and this is 2. If we drop the perpendiculars and complete this rectangle, then this from here to here it will be 1. So this part left is 0.5 and this is 0.5. Okay, this is given here there. See, this is 0.5. So area of a trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b. We have a, we have b, this we have, we want h, and we can make use of Pythagoras theorem in this triangle to get h. Okay, this is hypotenuse, this is 0.5. Okay, so by Pythagoras we get h square equal to hypotenuse square minus side square. Okay, so 1 square minus 0.5 square, or h equals a root of 1 minus 0.25, that equals a root of 0.75. Okay, now we can substitute this in this. So area of trapezium equals 1 upon 2 into a root of 0.75 into 1 plus 2. Okay, so in all we get 3 upon 2. Okay, into 0.866, that is 1.299 centimeter square if you calculate. Okay, now add all these areas. Okay, so 2.487 plus 9 plus 6.5 plus 1.299, we know there are only 4 because we have calculated the area of triangle together. Okay, so this is that uh, area of triangle. Okay, so all 4 quantities, so 19.286 centimeter square will be your answer. Okay, a fourth one, a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area if the sides of the triangle are 26 centimeters, 28 centimeters, and 30 centimeters, and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeters. Okay, this is very important sentence. Okay, find the height of the parallelogram. Okay, the base is same and that stands on, that is the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeters. Okay, so read it again. So triangle and a parallelogram have the same base. So see, the base is same and that is 28 centimeters. Okay, so draw this figure like this. Okay, and same area. Area is also same. Okay, that's a very important point. And this is a triangle. So the sides of the triangle, the dimensions of triangle, this is 28. So this is 30 and this is 26. Okay, so we have all 3 sides, so we can find the area of this. Okay, and for parallelogram we have base and we have to find height. Okay, area is same as that of the triangle, so that is very easy problem now. Okay, so these are the sides, and last point is find the height of the parallelogram. Okay, so by Heron's formula, area of triangle equals a root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a is 30 centimeters, b is 26 centimeters, and c is 28 centimeters. Okay, so s equals a plus b plus c upon 2, so that equals 30 plus 26 plus 28 upon 2, that is 84 upon 2, that is 42. Okay, so substitute. So area of triangle equals root of 42 into 42 minus 30 into 42 minus 26 into 42 minus 28. So that comes out to be equal to root of 42 into 12 into 16 into 14. Okay, so I'm splitting all this. Okay, so 42 is written as 14 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 16 into 14. Okay, so 14 is out here, 3 is out. Okay, now this is 2 and this is 4. Okay, so area of parallelogram. Okay, this is area. So we are not actually finding the actual multiplication. Okay, keeping it like this only because we have something to do with this. So area of parallelogram equals h into c. Okay, so that is, we know c is 28. Okay, so h into 28 equals, for this reason don't calculate this. Okay, keep it as it is. So h into 28 equals 14 into 3 into 2 into 4. So this goes directly, and h equals 3 into 4 is 12 centimeters. Okay. So if you calculate this, that will make your job little difficult. Okay. Fifth one, a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meters and its longer diagonal is 48 meters, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? Okay, so it's a rhombus shaped, side is 30 meters and longer diagonal is 48 meters. Concentrate on this first. Okay, answer, draw rhombus, as need to draw this rhombus 30 meters, 30 meters, 30 meters, 30 meters, and longer diagonal is 48 meters. Okay, now see, area of rhombus equals area of this triangle. These are two triangles equal in area. So this equals area of triangle ADB and ADC. Okay. So that is equal. These are equal. So that equals 2 into area of any one of the triangle. I am taking ADB. Okay. Now calculating area of this triangle by Heron's formula, and don't forget to multiply this triangle by 2, because if you multiply by 2, that will be the area of the rhombus. Okay, so by Heron's formula, area of triangle equals root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a is 30 meters, b is 30 meters, and c is 48 meters. So s equals a plus b plus c upon 2 equals 30 plus 30 plus 48 upon 2, or that equals 108 upon 2 or 54. Okay, so area of triangle ADB equals root of 54 into 54 minus 30 into 54 minus 30 into 54 minus 48, that equals root of 54 into 24 into 24 into 6, this into this into this, that equals, so I am splitting this for simplicity. In exam you did not split, you can do it directly if you can. Okay, so this 54 is 9 into 6 into 24 into 24 into 6, so I can take this 24 out of 2, 124 out of 6 out, and this 9 will be 3. Okay, so don't calculate at present. Okay, so we have to multiply by 2 and again divide by 18 to get the answer. So keep it as it is. Okay, so this is meter square. So area of the rhombus ABCD equals 2 into all this. Okay, and now each cow will be getting all this divided by 18. So 2 into 3 into 6 into 24 upon 18. So this goes like this, and 2 into 24 remains, which is 48 meters square. Okay, so that is your answer. Sixth one, an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors. Okay, 10 total triangular pieces means, look at this, white and green. So white pieces will be 5 in number, and green pieces will be again 5 in number. Okay, so we were here, each piece measuring 20 centimeters, 50 centimeters, and 50 centimeters. So look at this. This is 50, this is 50, and this is 20. Okay. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? See figure. Okay. So answer, find the area of one triangular piece and multiply by 5 to get the color single color. Okay. So by Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC, this is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where A is 50, B is 50, and C is 20. Okay. So S equals A plus B plus C upon 2, that equals 50 plus 50 plus 20 upon 2, that equals 120 upon 2 or 60. Now substitute area of triangle equals root of 60 into 60 minus 50 into 60 minus 50 into 60 minus 20. So that comes out to be equal to root of 60 into 10 into 10 into 40. So that is this will come out all these four zeros as 100, and this will come as a 2. Okay, so 100 into 2 root 6, that is 200 root 6 centimeters square. The area of one triangular piece. Okay, we have 5 of each color, so therefore 5 into 200 root 6 equals 1000 root 6 centimeters square cloth of each color is required. Okay, seventh one, read this very carefully. A kite in the shape of a square. Remember, this is a kite and its shape is a square shape. Okay, with a diagonal 32 centimeters. This is 32. Okay, these words are very important. Okay, we will see this. This gives us sufficient data. And an isosceles triangle of base 8 is here. Okay, base is 8 and sides 6 centimeters each. Okay, is to be made of three different shades as shown in the figure. So this is blue, this is yellow, this is green. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? Okay, so as this is a square, we should know the properties of square. A diagonal is 32, so this is 32, so this will be also 32. They bisect each other at a right angle. Bisecting means this height is 16 and this height is 16. Okay, so both heights we got. We know the base, and because they bisect at right angle. Okay, so we can calculate by our normal formula. We can see here area of blue part equals area of yellow part. So area of triangle equals, it is a normal formula which we are supposed to use, that equals half into base into height. So we know this is 32 and height is 16. So substitute equals 1 upon 2 into 32 into 16. This goes, 16 remains. 16 into 16 is 256 centimeters square. Okay, and for this part, for base triangle or this triangle, A is 6, B is 6, and C is 8. By Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC equals root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Substitute. Let us calculate S first. S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, or 6 plus 6 plus 8 upon 2, that is 20 upon 2 or 10. Now substitute in this formula. So area of triangle equals root of 10 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 8, that equals root of 10 into 4 into 4 into 2. We can take this 4 out as 2. This is 2, and 2 of this 20. So 2 into 2 into 2 root 5, that is 8 root 5 centimeters square. Okay, and then the final comment, therefore 256 centimeters square blue and yellow, and 8 root 5 centimeters square of green shade is used. Okay, eighth one, a floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. This is important. Okay, which are triangular. The sides of the triangle being 9 centimeters, 28 centimeters, and 35 centimeters. See figure. So this is a shape of a tile. A is 28 centimeters, B is 9 centimeters, and C is 35 centimeters. Okay. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per square centimeter. Okay. So like that, there are 16 tiles. Okay. So we need to find the area of one tile, then multiply by 16 to get the total area, and then by 50 paise per square centimeter. Okay, so answer area of one tile. Okay, for this tile where the bases are A equal to 28 centimeters, B is equal to 9 centimeters, and C is equal to 35 centimeters. So by Heron's formula, area of triangle equals root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, or 28 here, plus 9 plus 35 upon 2, that is 72 upon 2 equal to 36. So substitute area of triangle equals root of 36 into 36 minus 28 into 36 minus 9 into 36 minus 35. So if we solve this, we get this equals root of 36 into 8 into 27 into 1, or this equals root of 36 into this, we are splitting as 4 into 2. Now this as 9 into 3 into 1. So this is 6, this is 2, this is 3, and under the root sign we are left with root 6. Okay, so that is 12 into 3 is 36 root 6 centimeters square. This is area of one tile. So for 16 tiles, it is 16 into 36 root 6 centimeters square, and for 50 paise per square centimeter, that is rupees 0.5. If you multiply all this, you are getting 0.5 into all this. The total cost comes out to be 705.4 cost in rupees. Okay, if you multiply the all these things and take the value of root 6. Okay, ninth one. See, this is very interesting. Okay, study this very carefully. A field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meters and 10 meters. So this is the figure of the field. Parallel sides are 10 meters and 25 meters. If this figure is not given, draw it. Okay, always draw this. The non-parallel sides are 14 meters and 13 meters. Okay, so these are the non-parallel sides. This is 14, this is 13. Okay, find the area of the field. Okay, answer. Now I have already shown you. You have to draw this. Okay, and give all these dimensions. And for this, we have to make some geometrical construction. So you draw parallel line to this. Okay, so this is 13 and this becomes a parallelogram. Okay, so if you consider this triangle, this is 14 meters, this is 13 meters, and this is 15 meters. Okay, so for base triangle, this A equals 13 meters, B is 14 meters, and C is 15 meters. So by Heron's formula, area of triangle BCE is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S equals A plus B plus C upon 2, that equals 13 plus 14 plus 15 upon 2, or 42 upon 2, that is 21. Substituting this value, area of triangle equals root of 21 into 21 minus 13 into 21 minus 14 into 21 minus 15. Okay, so that ultimately comes out to be root of 21 into 8 into 7 into 6. That equals, I'm splitting this 7 into 3, this as 4 into 2, and 7 and 2 into 3. So if you take all this out of the root sign, you get 7 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 84 meters square. This is first one. This is for this triangle. Okay, remember this is area of a triangle. Now we want height. Okay, because area of this parallelogram will be 10 into the height. can make use of this area to get the height. Okay, so look at this. Area of this triangle equals half b into h, which is equal to half into 15 into h, which is equal to 84. Okay, we got area and we have this formula, so you get h here. You can calculate h. H equals, okay, 2 into 84 upon 15, that is 11.2 meters. Calculate. Okay, so we have this height. Okay, so area of the parallelogram ABED equals 10 into 11.2. Okay, that is 112 meters square. This is 2. So we have to add this. We know, calculated this. Okay, so add 1 and 2, 84 plus 112, that equals 196 meters square. Okay, field area. Okay, you can try any other methods also. You can try with this parallel. Okay, you can try taking this parallel. Okay, so don't forget this, that is very important. Okay, this is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. If you have any difficulty in this topic of Heron's formula, let me know through comment section and I shall solve it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanking you. Good luck.